Hello guys, I am Raj Sharma. So today I am going to show you my app called legendtaryarguments.com. So this app is basically a product created by me, which basically uses an NLP technique called argument mining. Let me tell you what is argument mining. Argument mining is basically whenever you are arguing with someone, whenever you are arguing with someone, so an LLM between those two people. So if there is LLM between those two people, it will strip off all the emotional content and then keep the logical content. Now let me show you how does it work. So here basically I am using an LLM called Servam, here I am using LLM called Servam, in with this agentic argument app basically integrate with it using an API, and then after integrating it sends the prompt that mine the argument, and then it gives the argument of the person, and then it gives the whole argument of the person like that session, and then in the current argument it strips off the emotional content and then sends it back, so that we don't send the emotional content out to it, and so that we don't send emotional content to the second person, and then the argument gets resolved very quickly. So let me show you a demo. Here let me choose some kind of let me create some new argument. Let me tell you what is the argument of parenting decision. Let's continue. So here we can enable a judge which will judge the argument after and will answer to the host side arguments. Now let me continue. So here I'm going to argue with my father. My button invitation, my accept and join. So see where join there, the invitation. Now let me now let me send an argument here. Add a new point. This one. So here we have to click submit and bind, which does the main thing of this whole app, which basically submit the argument and then which basically minds the argument and then submits it. So here we have to approve and send before before your LLM can send. So see this. Emotional. So it basically telling you all the emotional language and logic facility. FSS is now here the now here the child bind the argument. Now approve to now I have to approve and send to the now here my father has received the argument. Oh no, sorry. Now here my father has received the argument. Now here father will write the argument and then send it to me. Now here I'm sending the argument of father. Now we have to approve and then send the mind argument. So here also I have received the argument of the user. So see here here these are the argument which will continue. Now here there will be a judge. After now here there will be a judge. Now he will judge the argument, judge summary. See here, he has judged it. So he has sent the notes, he has sent the key exchange and then points. So he has summarized the argument and then judged it that who is right and who is wrong. Here. Thank you.